Alright guys, so I'm going to show you something that I saw last time in the worm bin. The worms are doing okay. They're there. So as soon as they're exposed to light, they're going back down in the soil. But that's not what I'm showing you. We had some potato peels, that's sweet potato peels, and they're actually growing. See, you can get in slips from sweet potato peels. So what I'm going to do, instead of wasting the entire potato, I can actually grow slips from the skin of the sweet potato. So I would just want to show you that there's evidence of it that you can actually grow slips from sweet potato peels or the skins, and you don't have to waste the entire potato. So let's cover back this. We're going to deal with the worm bin another time. Hi everyone, my name is Saroy. Welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. We have been saving these potato skins or peels, and we're going to plant them also. We can get some more potato slips. So the interior of this is not white as the one that we previously planted out. So we're going to try our hands at this one. So what I'm going to do is just place them in the soil, and hopefully, well, they should produce slips just like what you saw in the worm bin. I called those were just some potato skins in the worm bin, and they were forming slips. So I'll do some for now and see how it goes, and do one other batch some other time. Alright, so I do not want to bury them too deep, but I also want to cover them so they have contact with soil. So what I'm doing just to water them in. Alright guys, I have two plants that I'm going to uppot. So I have two plants that I'm going to uppot. This is called catmint, and this is celery. So I'm going to use these two containers to put them in. The catmint is smelling just lovely. I just love the smell of mint. It has a very fragrant smell, and the tea is also lovely. Alright, so we're adding one more mint to our collection. So I'm just taking out some of the soil out of the container first. Adding a bit of organic fertilizer, 30 plus. Sorry for the competition, guys. Our neighbor is cutting his yard. Alright, so I'm just going to put back the soil in the pot now. So that's called backfilling. I'm backfilling all the way around. And this is celery, so it doesn't take a lot of high temperatures. So I have to find somewhere that is very cool to put this plant. Alright, so applying the same procedure to plant out the catmint. Not wasting any of the fertilizer, grabbing up every piece. And just making it sure that it sits comfortably in its position. Again, backfilling. Giving them a nice drink. Okay guys, thank you for joining us today in today's video, in today's episode of trying to grow sweet potato slips from the peels. You saw the evidence earlier on and we know it can work. Also, we did plant out some herbs and we're adding them to our collection. The work never ends. So with that said, do start that garden one content at a time. To our loyal supporters, thank you for tagging along with us. Thank you for your comments, your shares, and your like. Do spread the word because our aim is to get more persons to grow their own food. And do start that garden one container at a time. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.